So I'm Phil, I'm on day 20 of a 30-day Godot challenge, and I messed up. So let me hop over the project video so I can tell you more about that.
Hello, if you've been keeping up with the video series, and why wouldn't you? I'm awesome, these videos are awesome, and that isn't a biased opinion at all, I swear. Very objective opinion. Anyways, if you've been keeping up with the series, you'll notice that a lot has changed. The characters changed, and there's actual, like, a level type thing. So, this is where I've messed up. In my original plans, this character was a lot bigger and couldn't fit in the environment. This character now fits into the environment a lot better. So there's that, but I've realized, because I also wanted to try to start animating my main character, that because it's a skeleton, it's going to be very, very difficult for me to do that. And because of the art style, which I just wanted to be black and white, similar to Limbo, is going to be much more difficult. And I'd like to get this project done before at the end of this 30-day challenge. So adding in all those animations, that's going to be a lot to deal with. So I've changed my constrictions I've given myself. So this is no longer going to be a skeleton. It's going to be a ghost, because I don't have to animate feet moving or anything. I just have to do a hover idle. I think it'll be much better. The ghost will spit out. There will still be a floating skull in the ghost, so I can still spit out the skull to interact with enemies. So that's what that is. And then the environment isn't going to stay black and white. I'm going to add some color, and I think that'll make it interesting. That'll make it interesting to look at. And obviously there's still some glitches in the movement. I may look at that, but at this point, movement's set. Yeah, at this point, movement is set, and I don't have a ton of... I don't want to spend a ton more time on that until I get more done on other things. So, that's where I've messed up, is the original art style I chose to take and the original character I decided to make are not... What's the word I'm looking for? They're not really helping me as far as the scope I want to keep to. I think this is great. I think this looks pretty good. I think if this was animating, this might look like a real game. But because of the amount of time it would take to animate all the things I would need to animate, it falls out of the scope I want. So I'm going to change it to a ghost. So that's about it for the project today.
So I'm still Philip. This is the end of day 20, and I did mess up a little bit, but it's nothing that can't be fixed. So I'm hoping for day 21 I get the relationship between the player and the tile sprites where I want them to be. So hopefully you'll stick around to see that video when it comes out. If not, that's perfectly fine. Have a good day either way.
I'd have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.